Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add blue tones to your images using Lightroom Mobile. Here are a few examples of before and after of this preset. If you are new here, do subscribe to the channel for more editing contents. So, without further ado, let's start editing. Go to Light. Change contrast to +60. Change highlights to -60. Change shadows to +100. Change whites to -20. Change blacks to -30. Go to Curve. Copy the curve setting for each color. Go to Color. Change temperature to +10. Change vibrance to +30. Change saturation to -20. Go to Color Mix. Go to Red Color. Saturation to -30. Luminance to -15. Go to Orange Color. Hue to -40. Saturation to -15. Luminance to +25. Go to Yellow Color. Saturation to -100. Luminance to -10. Go to Green Color. Hue to +90. Saturation to -100. Saturation to -100 for blue and dark blue. Go to Effects. Change the texture to +15. Change the clarity to +30. Change the dehiz to +10. Change the vignette to -25. Change the feather to +80. Go to Split Tone. Highlights, hue to 230. Saturation to 19. Shadows, hue to 208. Saturation to 15. Go to Details. Change sharpening to 6. Change noise reduction to 15. Change color reduction to 10. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more contents. If it was helpful, do let me know in the comments. We'll see you again in next video. Stay tuned.